Hello and welcome to the first in a series of Ruth Faulkner Library online resource tutorials. The first one is going to be how to get an online membership. So just in case you didn't get a chance to pop into the library and get a membership before the library closures, I'd like to show you how to do just that. That will give you the opportunity to access any of our online resources. We have streaming services, educational games for children, e-audiobooks, e-magazines, the West Australian, which could be very useful for you right now, and a number of other resources. So the first thing to do is to navigate to our catalogue. Now our catalogue is located at library.belmont.wa.gov.au. Once you're there, we've got a massive big Join Online button, and all you need to do is click on that, and that's going to take you to our online membership form. Just like any other form, you need then to fill it in. First name, middle name, last name, a preferred name if you have one. Birth date. Now this is where some people can get a little bit tripped up. So for example, if you were born in 1976, you want to enter 76. If you were born in 2006, you want to enter 06. Your address and the city, which in this case is your suburb. Keep going down, fill it all in, and then enter in your PIN number. It's really important that you enter in 4 numbers that you will easily remember. Please don't use words or letters, just 4 numbers. Maybe not 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's up to you. Once you've done that, you need to click register. Once you've registered, you'll find that you are going to have a lovely little screen that tells you that you have been successful in gaining an online membership. This is going to give you immediate access to all of our online resources. You will get an email with all of these details, but if you'd like to, it might be a good idea to write down your library membership number. It's this big crazy long one here. Don't forget then also to write down your PIN number. Once you've done that, you can follow the directions on our website and have access right from your couch without having to leave your home to a million trillion library resources. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you back in the library soon.